Oh, hi, Pinina. You love this. Did you read the new message
Which one?
in the new blog? The one I pinned. It's a basher loves.
Oh, we know how we love bashers, huh?
Yeah, because they make us famous.
Oh yeah.
Read it. On
Which
that,
one?
on that,
This
that,
one?
no, the white one. That one.
This one?
Yep. And go to the pin. I pin. What his name?
Lito B. Akai. Male in bride.
Wait a minute. What is mail in bride loves? It's just like the mail box and then bride. The mailbox.
Male in bride.
Yeah, just
Oh,
like
that means I get a catalog, and then I get to choose you from the catalog, and then I get to request
oh
your
yeah.
number, right? And then you send it in, and then ta-da, male and bride, right? And then we get married.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
So
Too bad
sure.
we've been married for almost 5 years.
And then he said there loves that
Oh,
you you are old man duduugan.
oh yeah. I'm not
Why
that old. What the fuck?
yeah.
Jack off.
And then he said that my face is like a money.
Oh yeah. Is it like money?
Yeah.
Oh
Just like
shit!
a
I wish it was like money. Shit, we'd be fucking rich. God damn. Oh,
yeah. And then lots of our followers
oh,
fight on him.
oh yeah.
And
Thank to him. Oh, you're welcome.
uh, he replied Lito Aki. Thank to him.
Oh, what's
And then
this?
he wants me to go back to grade school
Why you need to go back
to
to grade
learn
school?
English loves.
Oh yeah. Why? She does just fine here. Probably speaks better English than most here. Oh, why are you jealous? She speaks better English than you.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Our haters.
Yeah.
That's. Oh yeah.
What is his
Oh,
name?
I don't know. Lito, huh? Oh wow. Oh, yeah.
He makes joke.
Just a couple. Just a couple posts.
Maybe it's only only what do you call that?
What?
Dam account?
Maybe. I
Dam
don't know.
account.
Dummy account.
Dami account. Dam account. That is dam account.
I mean, he says Okinam.
Yeah.
He's just wanting to fight with you, dude.
Oh, he is always.
But
But thanks to him, thanks to the view,
yeah,
it
we
benefits
appreciate it.
us.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
More comment, please.
Yeah. Okinana.